Hello everyone, in today's Discord video I'm going to show you how to get the new Split Fiction avatar decoration on Discord. Now I think this is one of the coolest Discord avatar decorations that they have released in the last little while, at least, probably since the Batman one I'd say. There hasn't been too many really ones that stood out to me. It's literally splitting just like the Split Fiction cover page here, and it looks really clean. It almost looks like something you'd buy with Nitro. It actually looks kind of similar to my paid one from Nitro, actually. It's the same type of colors, and it's two different colors in half. So this is very clean, and it's completely free, and I'll show you how you can get it right now. So first thing you want to do, of course, is go to the Discovery page, and then under the Quests tab, under the Discovery page, on the Discord app on your desktop or on the browser, which will be discord.com/app if you are on Google. And then if you're on mobile, you sadly can't do this on mobile. You have to do this on computer. And so we're just going to basically go and click accept quest underneath the Split Fiction, and then it'll just accept. So this game is only on PC, I guess, because it does that. I thought there might have been a console version, but I guess not. If there was a console version, it would look like this. You'd have to choose between desktop and console, but this one seems to be just on PC, so you will have to be doing this on PC. And then you'll want to go to Steam. If you don't have Steam installed, go to steampowered.com to get it installed and create an account if you don't have one already. And then you'll go to their store page, and then you'll go to the search bar and just look up Split Fiction, simple as that. And then you'll click on it, and now you will see that it is worth $65 in Canadian for me. But you do not have to buy the game. All you have to do is install this Friends Pass. It's basically it's not necessarily a demo, but it's like a free version that you could play with your friend. But then if you wanted to actually get the full game, you have to actually buy it here. But all you have to do is just install this. So click Install Game. Then it will go to your library here, and then you'll click install, and it'll be about 90 gigabytes. So it is a pretty big game to install, but you will have to install this game to actually get the progress working. Then once you install it in your Discord client, this will turn green and the progress bar will start climbing up. And then once you do that, then you could actually claim the avatar decoration. This will simply turn to 100% and a full green bar, and there'll be literally it'll say claim here, and you'll click claim, and then it'll be added to your Discord account. Then from here, you could go into your user settings, into your profiles, click on change decoration here, and then you can see the different decorations that you've locked previously that you could actually select from, as well as obviously the paid ones. But you can see what I mean though. Like that Split Fiction looks very similar to a lot of these Nitro ones. It doesn't look like something you get for free. It just looks too clean. I find it's really similar to this Dusk and Dawn one that I have here. Anyways, though, guys, that is how you get this new Split Fiction avatar decoration here. And please let me know what you think of this one. I think it's really, really cool, and it looks better than a lot of the other ones that they normally release, or at least a lot more cleaner than the ones they normally release. As well as make sure to join the Discord server. It is in the link in the description below. And as well as we actually just hit our 1-year anniversary today for our videos on this channel. So that is really awesome. It's been a great year, and I cannot wait to keep on posting content for this, for 2025 and so on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please leave a like and subscribe, and please check out my other Discord tutorials. I have lots of different tutorials on setting up your Discord server and bots and all of the above. So I will see you guys in the next Discord tutorial. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.